I would say for a new client coming in for their first manual lymphatic drainage session, if you've never had it, it is a very different approach, more of a nicer approach. My name is Veronica Kicklighter and I specialize in manual lymphatic drainage, specifically in oncology, pre and post-op, and also just general wellness. Manual lymphatic drainage, that's for anybody who's feeling groggy, you're not sleeping, you're not digesting, you're not processing well, you're getting headaches, you're feeling bloated, you're feeling puffiness in all the areas. You have the puffy face. Manual lymphatic drainage will help with that. That essentially means your lymphatic system is overwhelmed and it needs to be drained. It could be from sinuses, it could be from autoimmune issues and all the inflammation that comes with that. Healing absolutely does not need to be aggressive to work. Sometimes a harsher, more aggressive approach further injures a person or makes their symptoms worse. It is very important to listen to how people feel, and that's how you approach it. Sometimes a much softer approach will calm your system and your body will be a lot more accepting of the work you're gonna do. With most people, it's if I could get your system to calm down, if I could get you to trust me, if I could get you to just be able to relax, essentially every other system will fall in line, including your muscles will feel better as well. You should expect pretty immediate results. You should get some direct blood flow to the area. It should feel good right away. If you're ready to feel better, book with us at Frisco Massage Therapy today.